Welcome to the Nightingale. Nestled in the heart of Ioannina, Greece, the Nightingale is a delightful three-star hotel promising a cozy and memorable stay. This charming retreat is the perfect base for exploring the rich history and natural beauty of the region. Whether you're planning a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo adventure, the Nightingale offers a warm welcome and a comfortable place to relax after a day of exploration. Check-in begins at 3 p.m., giving you ample time to settle in before you begin discovering Ioannina. The hotel kindly asks that guests check out by 11 a.m. Please note that while children are welcome, there is a policy that does not allow them to stay free of charge. Additional fees may apply. This ensures a peaceful environment for all guests. The hotel offers complimentary Wi-Fi in all rooms, allowing you to stay connected, and also provides convenient parking. Experience the lovely atmosphere of the Nightingale, where hospitality meets comfort. Remember, finding your ideal stay is easy with a QR code displayed on screen or in the description below, leading directly to booking options.